Welcome to part 2 of RPG Maker VX Ace Let's Make a Game. So last time we made this little island and we made a little character here and we transferred the file to English. In today's episode we're going to be covering transporting from a map to a map and some basics of event mode. So what you want to do first is create a new map by right clicking and going new map. It should open this. I'm gonna just name it inside because we're going to create an inside of the house and choose interior. Hit OK. It should give you this transparent thing, but what I'm going to do is, because I'm so freaking lazy, I'm just going to create a sample map of some interiors. So you can do this as well, but you can create it on your own. Let's just say this one. So once you created it, this is how you have your exterior map and you have your interior map. Now what you want to do is connect them. To do that, go in your outside map and go in the event mode. Now once you're here on this little blue man, right click the square where you want your door to be and create new quick event. Hit on door. Okay? Now you can double click this graphic thing and choose the door texture. I'm going to choose this one. Then this destination thing, you want to hit on 3 dots and choose village house B, 101, and choose where you want to spawn. Let's just say you want to spawn right over here in like a square next to the door. Hit OK. And now it should create a door here. Do the same thing here. So click on this first square, right click, new quick event door. Now, the texture will stay the same, just change the place where the guy will spawn. Simple. So now if we play test it, but before I do play test it, I really have to somehow get the sound to go smaller. RPG Maker VX Ace, let's just play test. Yeah, basically, your game should look like this. Hit new game. And once in game, you should see this new door appear. Just walk straight into it. See? Now we're in the inside of the house. There are loads of items here. So let's continue building. So before that, we can hit escape and see our character right here. We can just save the game. Just so we don't need to go through everything every time. Shut down. And basically, now let's create some basic events. So the first event we're going to be going over is a pretty simple one. We want to go in the house and let's add his mother. I don't know. Just right click and go new event. So now we're going to the first one. And this one is the most complicating thing in all the game. This is how the event should look like. Don't be any fool. Anything. Don't even think about it being hard. Just name it up here. I'm going to name it mom. Whatever. And here double click this graphic. Now choose any single one, but because we don't have his mom, I'm just going to choose one of them. Let's see which one looks nice. Let's choose this one. I don't know, she doesn't look like a mom, but whatever. Now I want to hit trigger. We can go with auto run, event contact, player contact, and action button. We want to go action button, and we want her not to have any animations. So uncheck that. Then double click this, and this is what should pop up. So only thing we're going to create is like a little text message from her and a choice. So to create text message, hit display text. Basically this should pop up. Double click the face graphic and find her face graphic. So let's go with this one. See? And now I'm going to say, hey, she's not going to be my mom. She's going to be my sister, whatever. Hey there. What's up? Basically, if you hit preview, that's what it's gonna look like. Hey there, what's up? So, yeah, just hit OK, and there is her dialogue. Now double click the next line after that and hit display choices. And just go, I know, I'm fine, and I am not fine. I don't know, just, you have up to 4 choices. And basically, now, what it should pop up is like a huge little text right here. It says when I'm fine. So when you click that, you can tell her to display text. Basically choose her picture again. Nice. I know, just do that. And when I'm not fine, display text, actor 4, cheer up, or something. So basically, let's just show you how this looks in game. So let's start up our game. Continue. File 1. As you can see, there is our sister. She's been added. You can just click her. Hey there, what's up? See this little thing? It shows I'm fine and I'm not fine. So if you click on I'm fine, she's gonna say nice, and the conversation will stop. And if I hit I'm not fine, she's gonna say cheer up. So yeah, that's some basic eventing. That's some basic map transportation. And now what I'm gonna do is show you a little bit more advanced stuff. So the advanced thing will be how to create an intro for your game. Okay, to create an intro, create a new blank map, completely new, and click the event mode. We're gonna have a man just ask us for our name. So what you want to do first is right click the ground right here, wherever you want, and hit starting position player. So this is where he'll spawn the first time now. Next you want to add someone, new event. You already know how to create a face and stuff. I'm just going to choose any single one of those. I know, I'm going to choose the spiritual something. Let me go to spiritual. And I'm going to choose this little old man to pop up. And he's going to ask me, first, are you a boy or a girl? And basically, he's going to have his own face and stuff. Are you a boy or a girl? Preview. Add a couple of exclamation marks. Boom. So once he says that, you want to add yourself a choice. I am a girl, and I am a boy. Just put this little thing. I'm a girl or I'm a boy. When I'm a girl, what you want to do is double click, and you're gonna see this little thing that says party. Change party member. Okay? You want to hit because the main character is this one. You want to remove him from your party and add a new one. So add, then add someone. I know, because it's Natalie, we're not going to go add Natalie. We're going to go with, Alice. So you're going to become Alice then, and it's going to show, and basically now when you're a boy, it's basically just going to add you anything. So basically, do this. Just whatever character it is. Remove. And add a new one. But what you want to do while adding a character is really important. You want to add a blank one. I forgot to do that for this girl. Just a second, guys. Okay. So once it says right here, you can just right click and go edit. And you want to add a blank character. That's important. 2 blank characters. And they must be the same one. So 12 and 13. We need to remember that 13 is a girl and 12 is a boy, because we're going to add them now. So 12 is a boy. We're going to name him. We're not going to give them names. We're just going to add a picture. So a boy will be guy with the basic photo. He's a boy. Okay, and the girl will be anything, so she could be a green-haired girl. That's when she's a girl. Basically, that's how it should look. And now what you want to do is edit the event, and right here, click auto run, so it should run on its own. After it's chosen, whether you're a boy or a girl, what you want to do is click in those little lines. So as you can see, it has a blank line in each one. You want to double click it, go to the third page, and choose name input processing. And then click, if you're a boy, click 12, because that's a boy, right? Oh shit, this is a girl. So if it's a girl, add a girl. So it's 13. See? 6 characters max, so you can just change the max, whatever. And right here, it is name input processing for a boy. and that's it. So now what you can do is you can just add it and say, basically display text from Spiritual Guy. Welcome to the world. I know. And I'm gonna add before the name, so I'm gonna cut the name, and I'm gonna create his text. What's your name? What is your name? And then I'm gonna go with Spiritual and his name. Basically, he's gonna ask me what's my name, and then it's gonna pop up with the name processing. I'm gonna do this the same way. Up here, cut this part, add it saying what is your name, what is your name, do double, and basically add a name input screen. Once it says welcome to the world, what you want to do is hit on the second one and choose teleport. Now you want to hit on these little three dots and choose where you want him to teleport. So let's just say on this little island. So yeah, this is a little bit more advanced, I know. Well, let's see how it looks. Hit play and don't say and save changes. Now we need to go to new game, and this is how it should look like. Are you a boy or a girl? So hit I'm a boy. What is your name? And it's gonna give me this little name input screen where I can just, I don't know, give myself a name. And then I can hit this little OK button, and it's gonna say welcome to the world, and take me here. So basically, I can do whatever I want, but you can actually tell them not to actually tell the name. So yeah, see you next time.